we're going to go ahead and begin today's lesson with our visual drill. You're going to say the sound that you see, and then remember some of them might have a 2 at the bottom because there's 2 sounds. Sh, ch, full, a, full, go, pull, w, st, sp, sn, onk, sm, sk, sk. Good. Pull, bowl, yeah, b, w, z, squa, thir, ing, and v. Good. Ink, gur, fur, dur, cur, burr, tur, purr, ank, qua, ong, z, o and ah. Good. Ol, k, k, ang, ks, unk, e and it and I, sure, spole, spur, you and Good. Stir. Great job. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the auditory drill. So you will need your sand tray. And then you are going to write the sound that you hear with the corresponding letter. So you're gonna write the letter and then say the sound as you're underlining. B, B, B. Good. Col, C, L, col. Good. There's 2 spellings for this one. Sk, S, K, sk, S, C, sk. Good. A, sh, S-H, sh, spr, S-P-R, spr. Good. Ing, I-N-G, ing. Great job. Onk, O-N-G, oh. Onk, N-K, onk. Good. We'll just do a couple more. Qua, Q-U, qua. Tr, Tur. Sorry. Tur. That was my fault. Last one, goal.
G-L, goal.
Great job. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the blending part. And we'll do our fingers up, ready, read. So, fingers up, ready, read.
Calf, calf. K-A-K. Ab, cab.
Good.
Shab, shab. Chab, chab.
Great job.
Chonk, chonk. Slonk, slonk.
Up, fingers up, ready, read.
Slung, slung. Full, flung. Full as, flaz. Gul, a, glay. Pull, as, plaz. Pull in, pling. W-ing, wing. W-us, was. St-us, stus. St-oo, stew. W-oo, woo. W-ing, wing. Squing, squing.
Good, that one was hard. Give me 1 second. All right, ready, read.
Ink, thrink. Ink, think. Ink, think. Ink, grink. Ong, grong. Ongs, grongs. Ongs, frongs.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Fro. Os, dross. Oz, draws.
Fingers up, ready, read.
Crawl, crawl. Burrow, row. Brawl, brawl. Trawl. Prill. Pricks. Quicks. Kicks. Kai.
Great job. We're just gonna do a couple more.
Shricks. Off, shroff. Spool off, sploff. Spro. Sprang, sprang. Stir-ang, strang.
Great job. Some of those were very funny words.
They were.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our new skill for today. So we have been seeing Y at the beginning of the words. What sound does Y make?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. Now we are going to start to see Y making a different sound in some of these words. So, do you know what a chameleon is?
The lizard?
Yeah, so what is special about those chameleons is they will change colors and the way that they look based on where they are, to hide from other animals, to protect itself. So the Y is kind of known as a chameleon because it plays a different role depending on where it is in a word. So I've made this Y as a chameleon chart, and we're just going to focus on the top part of this chart. So what we're going to be doing is, if you can kind of think of some words that begin with that Y sound, with it, that we see at the beginning of the word. And if you can just write a couple down, if you need to pound and tap.
Yes.
Yes, that's a good one. I thought of
yak.
yak.
Yep. Ack.
Good. I was thinking of the color yellow.
Yellow.
Good, we probably recognize that one because it's one of our colors. So Y, we'll also see Y, and it will make the same sound as I, and it's going to live at the end of the word. So like the way that it's in the word fly, it makes that long I sound. So this is another sound that I can make, or that the long I can make with the letter Y. So to spell fly, it's F-L-Y, if you can write that here. F-L-Y. And so that I would just have the finger tapping, it would just have the long I sound. So it would go fly, full I. So can you think of some other words that maybe you've heard like this?
Cry.
Cry. Yeah, cry is another one that.
Cry. Cur. I.
Good. There's also shy. If someone was shy, that's also going to have this Y at the end. So how would we spell shy?
Shy. Sh. I.
Good. All right, so that's how we're going to see this Y. So all of these words that I'm going to show you today are going to end in that long I, but it's going to end in Y. All right? We can go ahead and we're going to practice writing Y in the sand. So you're going to write it 3 times saying that sound just like we do with all the other letters that we do in the sand. So
Y. I.
So Y does make, oh, sorry. Yep, you're right. I'm sorry.
Y. I.
Good. One more time for me.
Y. I.
Good. All right, now I'm gonna have you go ahead and take a piece of paper. And I'm going to dictate some of these words and have you write them. Okay, so we've already done cry and shy, my, and we can use our finger tapping board if we need it. My. Good. Try. So can we pound it and finger tap it?
Try. I.
Good, you're remembering those beginning blends. And I have a clean copy that we're gonna look at the end. Ply, ply,
Ply. Pull I.
good. Sky,
Sky. Sk. I.
dry,
Dry. Dr. I.
last one, fry,
Fry. Fur. I.
great job. All right, so then here is our clean copy. With those,
Try. Shy. Fly. Pry. Cry. Ply. Sky. My. By. Dry.
good. So there were some extra ones in there that I had you read. Some of those we did in our beginning activity, and then some you were really getting the hang of it. So I just wanted you to go ahead and read from that clean copy. We're also going to hear these in some sentences, okay? And I'll say the sentence twice, and then you can fist pound and finger tap those words that you might need some help with. My, he is a sly spy. My, he is a sly spy.
My. He is a sly spy. Sly. Full I.
Good.
Spy. Sp. I.
Great job. The second sentence. The pigsty was dry. The pigsty was dry.
The pigsty was dry. Pig. Pig.
Good.
Sty. St. I. Dry. Dry.
Very good. There's an extra sentence in there, so if you just look at 2 and 3.
My, he is a sly spy. The pigsty was dry.
Good, and you remembered capital letters and punctuation. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our syllabication part. Or syllabication, I'm sorry. So here is the words that we are going to look at today. So let's look at that first one. Can you say this word for me?
Backpack.
Good. All right, so the first step that we need to do is we need to find the first 2 vowels. Can you find the first 2 vowels for me?
There's an A.
Good. All right, and then do you see, yep. And then can you go ahead and draw your bridge? Good. And then how many consonants are between?
There's 3 consonants.
3 consonants, good. So it's kind of like this example up here. How are we going to, well, what do you notice about the consonants?
Oh, there's a CK there.
There's a CK, yep,
Blend.
yep. Good. All right. So where are we going to divide this word?
Between the 2 consonants.
Okay. And so then this first syllable, what kind of a syllable is that?
It would be a closed syllable.
And does that make sense for that word?
Back, yes.
Yes. And then what about this syllable?
That would be closed.
Okay, and we also see another,
Blend consonant, yeah.
good,
Hack.
good,
Hack.
good. And they're both closed syllables, and that makes sense, right? We know what a backpack is.
Mhm.
All right, so will you go ahead and try the next one for me?
This one or this one?
This one.
So I find the vowels
Mm-hmm.
and label them. Then I draw a bridge. And then I see two consonants, ST, could be a blend. It is a blend,
Mm-hmm.
so it'd be a consonant. So then I have to break it, try it this way first, which would be, this would be open, this would be closed.
Mm-hmm.
It would be you, st, am, mustam. I don't know, I've never heard of that before.
Yeah, me neither.
Let me try this way. That would make this a closed,
Good.
and this would be a closed. Mustang. I've
Yeah.
heard of a Mustang.
Yeah, that's a kind of car.
Yeah, my dad.
Oh, nice. And then did you notice here that that was one of our endings that we were working on?
Oh, yeah. A-N-G. Oh, okay.
Great job.
Yeah.
Will you try this one for me?
Find the two vowels,
Good.
and then I bridge them. Oh, I
Excellent.
see N-K, that's a consonant blend. And then there's the W. So because there's two consonants, I'll break it in the middle.
Good.
And this is a closed, and this would be closed, so it'd be ink well. Actually, I-N-K, is that one of our,
Mm-hmm. Good.
inkwell?
And then this will be our last one.
Vowels. Bridge. Oh, I see TH. I know that's
Good.
a consonant blend. So because there's two consonants, I break it there. And then this would be closed.
Mhm.
This would be closed. Bath mat.
Good. Great job. All right. We're gonna go ahead and move on to our red words. So remember with these red words, we're gonna do our review, our visual ones first, the ones that we've been working on. So I'll hold out a card and we'll load the word and we'll tap it out, okay? All right, our first word.
Bin.
B-E-E-N.
Bin.
Bin.
Y. W-H-Y. Y.
Good.
Here. H-E-R-E. Here. There. T-H-E-R-E. There.
Good.
Where. W-H-E-R-E. Where.
Good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the ones that we know, our auditory ones, and I'm gonna have you write these on a piece of paper for me. And then we'll check them on a clean piece of paper. You can read from a clean piece of paper when you're done writing them. As. Good. All. or. Any. Good. All right, and if you can go ahead and check and read from that clean sheet.
As, all, or any.
Good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and learn a new red word today. We're gonna start, here it is. Our new word is goes, okay? Like Sarah goes to the dentist twice each year. Can you think of a sentence for the word goes?
She goes to the store.
Yeah, that's a great sentence for goes. All right, so let's go ahead, and I'm gonna have you write a bumpy copy for goes, saying the letters.
G, O, E, S. G, O, E, S. G, O, E, S.
Good. All right, now I'm gonna have you hold your red word out. All right, we're gonna load that word and arm tap it out. Goes. G-O-E-S, goes. Let's do it again. Goes. G-O-E-S, goes. One more time. Goes. G-O-E-S, goes. Good. Now if I can have you finger trace over that, saying each letter and then saying the word at the end.
G, O, E, S, goes. G, O, E, S, goes. G, O, E, S, goes.
Good. Now we're going to skywrite the word 3 times. Ready?
G, O, E, S, goes. G, O, E, S, goes. G, O, E, S, goes.
Good. Now if you can write your red word on these lines down here.
G, O, E, S, goes. G, O, E, S, goes. G, O, E, S, goes.
Good. All right. Now we're gonna flip this over. I'm gonna hide those words and you're gonna write it in pencil from memory. Goes.
Goes. G, O, E, S, goes.
Good. All right. We have 2 sentences that we're going to write and then we are done for today. Bill goes to this class. Bill goes to this class. Pounder ready? Ready, pound.
Bill goes to this class. Bill goes to this class. Class.
Good. Next sentence. 1 brush goes here. 1 brush goes here.
1 brush goes here. Brush. Sh.
Good. All right, and if you can go ahead and read those from a clean copy.
Bill goes to this class. 1 brush goes here.
Good job. Excellent. All right, and that's the end of our lesson today.